Very good evening, students. Now I'm going to say about the FASTA tool. So in last class I said you about the NCBI and FASTA, NCBI and BLASTA. So these are the tools you can use for the analysis of your sequences, to prediction of your sequences, to know the similarities between the sequences. So basically we can use here. We can use the protein sequencer, then we can use the DNA sequences. Both the sequences we can find the similarities and we can get the how your research has been done properly or not. So this gives the accurate result by searching the tool. So here actually this FASTA format, what I say that the FASTA is another tool. It will supply host institution is called EMBL EBI. This is European based. The European countries, Europe is maintaining this website. So this website will have a specific tools we have it. Tool means we can like our search engine, Google search engine. So this FASTA format, when you go to the Google or maybe Google Chrome, Edge, we can go there. You can type the URL like ebiac.uk/tools and can go for the SSS FASTA. You can type like this. URL we need to type it. So in this FASTA we have a different toolbars we have it. The FASTA, nucleotide FASTA, genes we have it, a proteome we have it, with the genes document, help desk we can have it, feedback we have it. So these are the different sources they will provide. So with these sources we can use for your gene sequence analysis or protein sequence analysis. This FASTA will compose it of 4 steps we can have it. So in this FASTA we need to give the FASTA sequence only. We need to give the protein sequence of FASTA. So step 1 protein sequence of FASTA. We can have the 4 steps, I can say that. The step 1 you need to give the protein databases. What is the data you created? What is the protein sequence you have it? Those sequence you know that what is that type of sequences. You can say that uniport knowledge database, uniport and taxonomic subset we can say that. Otherwise clusters, there may be patent structures, already patent data. It's been given this one. So in this one we will give that one. Then next in step 2 we have enter your output sequences, input sequences. So these input sequences will give the only different types of formats we can give that. The file format we need to give it. After giving the file format, when you go for the what is that your parameter, what is your parameters for you to maybe FASTA, we can give the FASTA X, SS search. So different basics we have it. SS search we have it, GG search we have it, GL search we have it. So basically GG the FASTA X, FASTA Y we have it. So we based on your need. So we're going to do with your molecule. So you suppose here FASTA, I said you about we can search the sequences. In step 2 we can search the sequences based on the protein sequence we can have it, DNA sequence we can give it, otherwise the RNA sequence we can. So we can give the option. But in case of here step 3 they'll give the type of FASTA. Then more in step C also we can give your database. Otherwise your file format can be stored in your notepad. In notepad means here, so when you want to use the bioinformatics tools, we need to use the notepad. So when you want to store the sequences, we can store your sequences in notepad only. So this notepad is feasible for the software of your bioinformatics tools. Bioinformatics tools or bioinformatics software we can use it. So directly we can browse your option, we can go with that one. We can link your desktop, so where you store your file location, we can be open that one. After location we open, we can be come to your window. What your window you are using, FASTA window, it will come to a new window. Then we are going to go for the submission button. So the submitted button can be, we have 2 options we have it. So direct interaction means what is a phase we can have it. In this phase itself we can get it. So otherwise we can go for the email option. So like this we can do the different sequences we can do that. So here, so these EBI and MBEL or EBI we can call as. So these EBI will give the results. It will give the results of your protein sequences. It will give the results of your DNA sequences or maybe RNA sequences. Finally, based on the similarities. Based on the sequence similarities, what is the protein sequence we have given. So otherwise it will give the results of already existed protein sequences. Already existed protein sequence in your databases, and it will compare it and give this score. It is called a score. It will based on the score. Suppose 99% similarity. Based on 99% you got it. It will got 100% similarity. So 100% means you ask the same sequence, you got it. Suppose I got the 0% similarity, I can say that maybe it may be my sequence is my protocol is wrong. So we don't say that one actually. So here, based on additions and deletions, we can have the new sequences will come. So finally we can conclude that. So what is sequences we are going to give with it? These sequences we can frame that one. We can frame that one. So those sequences based on the similarity, I can say that my protein sequence is one. So I got the 100%. I can say that this protein sequence is correct. If suppose I got a 0% similarity, I don't say that is a wrong one. So we can say that, so I have maybe mutations in my protein sequence, or maybe mutations in our DNA or RNA. So this I can conclude that, so we are going to refer that one. We can review the other sequences.